Hi everyone, it's Laura Milligan, and I wanted to come to you for just a minute this morning and talk about my Bonanza Buddies class to go that I am currently offering. I've had a great response, and I've also had a few questions. Apparently, a lot of you already have the products that we need for this class. So if that's the case, if you want to go to my online, if you'd like to get the class packets, the kit to do these cards, including a PDF with all the measurements, a photo of each project, and a video walking you through how to make each project, what you need to do is go to my online store, use this host code, and as long as your order is a minimum of $30, I will be happy to send you the class packet for the cards. And I thought I would do a little sneak peek and actually show you the cards because these are so cute and I don't want you to miss out. These are all fun fold cards. This is a tri-fold, so cute. This one I call a side tag fold. Not sure what it's called. I use a clip here just to hold it shut so that you can see it. And then this one is just a top fold, top and bottom fold, I guess. Then, so in the class, you will get the card kits to make 2 of each of these 3 cards. And then I will include an additional bonus project, which is this fun fold gift card holder. And look how this opens up and how adorable it is. You just slide your gift card holder or your gift card right in the little pocket there. And this is just fun. I don't know who would not want to receive this kind of a gift for their birthday or any occasion. These are themed. This is a birthday themed class, and we all need birthday cards. It's something you could send to anybody. They're bright and cheerful. So if you have, let me explain to you how this works. So once you place your order, my class will close on Sunday. And I will order the products that I need to prep your kits, and you will receive these in the mail. These include, they're packaged individually per project, and I have everything cut for you and ready for you to assemble. Punched, scored for these fun folds. I've actually done the scoring as well. You will need to cut your own designer paper, but I will go over that in the video. They're super easy cuts, and I know you won't have any problem, and you'll be able to make, this is 7 projects, and I send these to you for free as a thank you for ordering from me and using this host code. Now, I do have a list. I'll put this below in the information, listing everything that you will need to purchase, or that you will need to have either purchase or have on hand to complete these projects. So look at that below this video, and thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll consider taking this class. Especially right now when we're all at home, sheltering at home, and I think we need things to do. I know we do at our house. We're starting to get bored, and this is a fun class that you can do. The colors are bright and cheerful and will bring a smile to your day. Thanks so much, and as always, I hope you have time to be creative today.